Welcome, my dear friend. This is my first video where I plan to record my trades on daily basis. I started recently and honestly this whole thing feels like a really fun experiment for me. Briefly, I've been doing this for over 7 months since I started learning, and about a month ago I switched to the real trading. So in this video I plan to show my thoughts on how the small cap market behaved today. I also want to break down my trades and the P&L, and I want to show what a lesson I might learn it today or anything interesting. And basically that's it. So let's move to our first section. What we figure out today, honestly, the day started pretty well. I trade from 9 AM, but when I started today, I didn't find any standout tickers. None of the top gainers really looked like stars. So the only thing left for me was to look at my Friday trades. The tickers I trade that day, the ones I had already studied, so smoothly moving to section number 2. Trades and P&L. Let's break down what we had today. EVVD, an interesting ticker that ran beautifully today, really pushed up. As you can see here on the chart, it's displayed perfectly, just George's price action. It moved from around 230 all the way up to the 3. What do you think I did here? I was taken on the short, so let's go straight to the IVVD trades I took. So I trade on the Cobra platform. Webull is the platform I'm just watching now. I already left it completely. It constantly caused catastrophic issue for me. So let's look at the situation on IVVD. As you can see, this is 1 minute chart. What's happening here? Here are the trades I took today. I apologize for the messy charts, but it is what it is. These are today's entries. Short entry, exit. Short entry, exit. Short entry, we exit. Another short entries and another one, and exit. As you can see, on each of these trades I barely capture even 2 cents. Yes, that's my current problem. I rarely manage to take more than a couple of cents. But still, I have 100% win rate, which makes me feel pretty comfortable overall. So as you can see, yes, I was green, but ridiculously small. Because Cobra trading, it's 1 cent per share with commission. I can break that down in another video if needed. But right now any trade where you make around 2 cents with a round trip entry and exit, it's basically irrelevant. So most of my profit here was eaten by commissions. So this beautiful ticker gave us this crazy unexpected move. No news, no catalysis, nothing. But it still jumped to 305 and just hung there the whole day. Literally the whole day, slowly, barely drifting down. And once the day ended, it's instantly cracked down. Okay, got it. Algorithms aren't the same anymore, and that's a good, solid day overall. I probably won't break down every trade. I want today video to be short. Just want to show you the important parts. So today I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 actual trades, all them green. Meaning I didn't have a single losing trade. Sounds good, right? Like this CO and D trade I entered just for fun. Because I was already tired of trading seriously. I thought, okay, whatever, let's enter with 100 shares, maybe I'll grab something just for fun, literally just for fun, yeah. So today, as you can see here, I realized $302, out of which, practically speaking, I will actually receive only 237.31 cents. But let me say right away, that's number is completely wrong. It's not the real P&L. not the real one. Because if you calculate honestly, Cobra will actually take, where did it go here? It actually takes half a cent per share. So as we see, I trade about 25,000 shares today. Let's take the number. Today I made 25,754. Multiply that by 0.005 and we get $128.77. And if we take the gross profit of $322.50, we ended up with $193.38. So the true number is $193.38. That's the situation. Not sure if I should break down every trade. I don't think there is a point. That was the most interesting part today. And as you can see, I made around 45 bucks there, all of which got eaten by commission. And in the best case, maybe 3 or 4 bucks will actually land in my account. Everything else was pretty simple and calm trades. No issue there. Expect SL and D, which I entered just for fun. Yes, so that wraps up my PNL breakdown. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Gently asking, hit the like button if you enjoyed this. This is my first video, sorry about this, don't blame me. Let's move to the final section, the lesson I learned. Only lesson I see this, I've been grinding for almost 3.5 weeks now, since I started my trading work activities, so to speak. Maybe in future video I'll show how my overall PNL is growing, starting from around October 16 or 20, because before that I was trading here on Vivo, which is terrible platform, and now I'm fully switching 100% to Cobra. But my main problem is that I exit too early, taking 2 cents, sometimes even less. But my main goal is to take more. Thank you so much, guys. Our friend, please leave comment if you have any. It's important to me and I'll gladly read them and maybe highlight some of them if they're interesting enough. Thanks again. That's my first video. I'm not selling anything, I'm just saying I'll record super daily mega recaps. But here and there, why not? Thanks again, bye bye.